Dude, it's so hot. Let's give you guys a startup. All right. So we're not gonna take this to a shop. We're gonna get this professionally installed by me, my cousin, my friends. Professionally installed. Don't worry. What can go wrong? A couple of things that I want to do with the interior, like this the e-brake boot right here, it's kind of torn apart. Shift boot, little peeking through. This is cracked over here. I mean, oh shoot, I gotta go. Oh brother, let's try not to stop. Yo, shifting with the camera on my lap is terrible. Oh brother. Oh my god. Now I want to show you guys, I want to see if you guys can hear how bad my suspension is. But first we gotta find a pothole. Maybe not a pothole, but something a little small. Like these, you know, the little side markers in the middle of the lane. Let's see if you guys can hear that. Alright, I missed every single one. Oh shoot, there goes my camera. Just got to my cousin's house and now I just gotta wait for him to come home from school.
3 hours later.
Yo chat, everything just went wrong and it could get worse, but who knows. Let's show you guys what happened. Okay, so we were like, alright, let's take the wheel off. You know, what could go wrong? Let's take the wheel off. No. All of these wheel studs, cross-threaded. Cross-threaded. It's cooked. Everything's cooked. Can't take off the brake caliper. Oh, my key broke. Chat.
Say jodió, chat.
And we still can't take off this brake caliper.
No mames, wey. I don't like the size of that.
I don't like the size of it either.
What?
I like it nice and tight.
Oh, okay. Do we risk it for the biscuit or what?
We already been risking too many things, but sure.
Yeah.
Dude, you don't even have back seats. What's the point of even having it?
Exactly.
Nobody can fit.
Bros, stop.
That shit is torqued on there, bro.
Update. New wheel
Get
studs.
ready. You're gonna be able to slide them out.
Taking out.
Wait, check if there's any brake cable on the. Vite. Quita esto.
Oh, you gotta unclip it? Oh, yeah, brother.
Yeah, we can.
What's that one Apex Legend character?
En verdad, cabrón, está
You know what I'm talking about? What is that one? He's like, oh, yeah, brother. Alright, it's done.
Are you gay or?
Are you done? Or yo, chat. We have to take this off.
No, todavía.
No, chat. I'm talking about this. We have to take this off. Whatever this piece is. This.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's your
You're that.
The thing.
The thing. We gotta take off the thing. Explain to them what's wrong.
So.
Bro, this is close.
Corrosion.
This is close.
Just don't cut. There we go. Alright, that should come off. Let it cool down. It should come off now.
Money.
Let's go, baby.
We didn't even tell them what's wrong, but it's all right.
It's all right. They just gotta see.
They just gotta see. Three hours later, got the springs off, dismantled everything. We were about to give up, but we didn't.
There's no giving up here, chat.
Nope. We were about to put everything back together just how it was. We was gonna sell those,
The high side?
but no,
Like,
we persevered.
Because they have to be perfectly.
Finally got the springs off after a lot of side missions. We got it off. Yo, chat, my car is broken. No prende. Como se dice no prende?
Can't get it. Okay, chat. Chat, my fingers hurt, chat.
Have him try. Yo, watch me like not be able to actually like drive.
Dude,
home.
you're gonna need to get that caught like that. Keep up ASAP. Did they give you 2 or 1?
1.
Where's the fob? Where's this shit?
Oh my god, Luis, you're so right.
Yo, chat, you turned it on.
Como?
Shove it in right here.
But you need that.
Yeah, you need that.
Like, you can't use your finger.
Didn't even record, but it's okay. Little love revs.
It's cold. You want me to rev it?
We can let it idle like lower.